Hello everyone, in today's video, let's talk about the best setting for our ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you are using a DisplayPort. This enables us to use the highest resolution possible, and same thing with our refresh rate. So make sure that you are using a DisplayPort. You also want to change the refresh rate on the advanced display setting for Windows. Once again, choose the highest number possible, and then you want to basically tap the joystick behind the actual monitor in order to access the OSD setting, which is going to be the on-screen setting. Now, for best overall setting, you want to use 240 Hertz for your refresh rate. Adaptive sync is going to be on. Game visual is set to racing mode. Brightness is going to be 35 or 45, but of course it can depend on your room lighting. Contrast 80, gamma 2.2, color temperature user, color space sRGB, and for our FPS setting, basically if you love playing competitive games, set your refresh rate once again to 240 Hz, VRR off, shadow boost level 1, OLED anti-flicker off, HDR off, and the aspect control is going to be full. And some additional options for OLED code control or care: pixel cleaning on, pixel shift on, screensaver on, logo brightness limiter is on, and the Neo proximity sensor is also going to be on. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.